Hello, you are highly welcome to Food Clues by Nature, where I share ideas on how to store or preserve all kinds of food to last longer time and many other things I do share on this channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to store leafy vegetables to last long in the fridge, up to a month plus. I bought these fresh, beautiful leafy vegetables today at the market. So I said, let me share with you how I do store it in the fridge to last up to a month plus. So sit back and enjoy. Meanwhile, if you're watching our video for the first time, please subscribe, click the bell icon so you get to know when I upload a new video. Thank you. And to all our subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. To properly store these vegetables to last up to a month in the fridge, you will need a plastic container, a Ziploc bag, and a towel. These towels are mainly for preserving fruits and vegetables. And I wash them using hot water and liquid soap, and I rinse it with vinegar water. So that's how I keep. First is to separate the leaves from its stem. And another thing is, when buying the vegetables to store, tell them to give you the ones they've not dipped in the water. I love the tender stem on the ugu leaf, just the way I showed you, but you can separate yours the way you like. I'm through with the ugu leaves. I will get rid of the hard stem. Next is to do the same thing with water leaves and the green amaranthus. I will also be separating the water leaf from the tender stem as well, but you can do your choice, okay? And water leaves has a pink flower. Please get rid of it, okay? Next is green amaranthus. I will only cut the leaves but not with the stem, okay? Remember, none of the leaves were washed because when the leaves is moist, it gets bad quickly. I'm through with the water leaf and the green. I will get rid of the hard stems. We're about to store the vegetables, but please, if you find this video helpful, remember to subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload a video, share this video, like it, and comment. Thank you. Now is grab a towel, place it on the container first, that is on the bottom of the container first. Then put the leafy vegetables. You can also wrap the vegetable with the towel first before putting in the container, whichever way you want to. Then place another towel at the top and cover with the lid. For the water leaf, please make sure that the towel completely covered the water leaf. That is, it's better you wrap the water leaf completely with the towel before storing in the container or in the Ziploc bag. To enjoy a leafy vegetable up to a month plus in the fridge, there should be a constant power supply to the refrigerator. To manage space in the fridge, you can equally use a Ziploc bag to store the vegetables. You first wrap the vegetables with white towel, then put in the Ziploc bag, zip and store in the fridge, and it will last up to a month plus once there is a constant power supply to the fridge, just as I said earlier. This vegetable has been stored in the fridge for a month, so I want to show you how I do wash it before I will use it to cook food. You see how fresh it is. When you wrap it properly, you will enjoy fresh leafy vegetables always. I'll sprinkle some salt to wash. I will also wash the ugu leaves or the pumpkin leaf the same way I wash the water leaf. This is the best method for me to store my vegetables because it helps me to enjoy fresh vegetables always. But you can also store it in the freezer, but you won't have that fresh vegetables. But with this method, you will enjoy fresh vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in next video.